Start. This video is about the 11 main points of Australian government and law for Australian citizenship test. You will pass the test, inshallah. Please subscribe the channel. Here is a list of some of the main points about the Australian government and law. 1. Australia is a federal parliamentary democracy with a constitutional monarchy. 2. The head of state is the Queen of Australia, currently Queen Elizabeth II, who is represented in Australia by the Governor-General. 3. The federal government is divided into three branches: the legislative branch, which is made up of the Senate and the House of Representatives; the executive branch, which is led by the Prime Minister and Cabinet; and the judicial branch, which is headed by the High Court of Australia. 4. The Australian legal system is based on the common law system, which has its roots in English law. 5. The Australian Constitution sets out the rules for the federal government and outlines the powers and responsibilities of the states and territories. 6. Each state and territory has its own government, which is responsible for a range of matters including education, healthcare, and public transport. 7. The federal government has responsibility for areas such as foreign affairs, defence, and immigration. 8. The Australian Parliament is responsible for passing laws that apply to the whole country. 9. The High Court of Australia is the final court of appeal in the country and has the power to interpret the Constitution and hear cases that raise important legal questions. 10. The legal system in Australia is based on the principle of the rule of law, which means that all people are equal before the law and that the law must be applied fairly and without bias. 11. The Australian government and legal system aim to promote and protect human rights, including freedom of speech, freedom of religion, and the right to a fair trial. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe the channel. Wishes you good luck with your Australian citizenship test.